When it comes to building cars, who really does it better? Robots or humans? Is the future of automotive manufacturing fully automated, or do human hands still hold the edge? Get ready for a head-to-head comparison between man and machine in the race to build the perfect car. In today's video, we dive into the fast-paced world of automobile production, comparing the precision of robots with the craftsmanship of skilled workers. From welding and painting to final assembly, discover how these two forces shape the vehicles we drive every day and who really comes out on top. Modern car factories are powered by robots, literally. Robotic arms weld body panels, install windshields, and spray flawless coats of paint with incredible speed and accuracy. These machines can work 24/7 without tiring, delivering unmatched efficiency and consistency. But not everything can be automated. Human workers still play a critical role in final assembly, quality control, and complex problem-solving. Their eyes catch defects that sensors might miss, and their hands adjust parts where machines fall short. Creativity and adaptability remain uniquely human traits. The real secret? Collaboration. In most modern factories, humans and robots work side by side in a symphony of productivity. While robots handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, humans focus on precision assembly and customizations, creating a balance that maximizes both speed and quality. So, who builds cars better? The answer isn't so black and white. Robots bring power and consistency, while humans bring finesse and decision-making. Together, they form the backbone of an industry driven by innovation. Fascinated by the future of car manufacturing? Smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into technology, engineering, and automation.